Hi guys, how can you create this poster effect in Adobe Photoshop? First, go to File New and create a new document. Pause the video and note the setting of width, height and resolution. White background. Click Create. Now fit the background. Go to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color and choose your desired color. Then go to Filter Gallery. They will ask to create and Smart Object. Press on Now. Setting will appear. Select Texture Texturizer. Note the texturizer settings and press OK. Next, go to File, Place Embedded and insert your image. After placing it, go to Image Adjustments, Black White and press OK. Now go to Select Subject. Wait a few seconds until the subject is selected, then create a layer mask. After that, select the text tool and add your text. Press Ctrl-T, rotate the text around 90 degrees. And adjust it to fit the image properly. Now select the masked image layer and press Ctrl-J to make a copy. Drag this copied layer above the text layer and create a clipping mask. Select the original mask layer, convert it into a smart object, and add a white layer mask. Go to the brush tool, select a hard round brush, set the size around 117px and hardness to 100%. Gently brush on the mask. Use black to remove areas and white to bring them back. Now select the text layer, go to Blending Options and enable Stroke. Set the size to 4px, position to center and make sure its color is white. Press OK. Next, select the copied mask layer, go to the Shape tool and draw a shape. Choose a red color for the shape. Select the Move tool, then go to Blending Options and choose Multiply or Color Burn. And that's it. This is how you can create a poster effect in Adobe Photoshop.